Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going over the Micro 2, which is a low-level electrical stimulator. It's also called a TMJ unit. So you get this case, and your little kit's inside the case. You get the electrodes, which are in these little pouches, and you got your cords that connect to the actual unit. This is what the unit looks like. And then you have an instruction manual that goes over in detail how to use the kit. So I'm going to put it together and show you how to use it. So the first thing you want to do is take out these little cords. And there's one set of cords for each side. And this is the little kit. You put the battery inside here, and there's these little controls on the inside. And what you want to do is hook the cords into the kit. So we'll put this one on the right side, and it connects on the top. And then what you'll do is you'll open your little pouch of electrodes. And each of these pouches has 4 electrodes. If these start to lose their stickiness, then you have the backup in there too. So what you're going to want to do before you actually apply these, you want to wash your head and neck areas really well. If you wear makeup, make sure you get all the makeup off, and then it actually helps pretty well to use alcohol on cotton wipes. And then you hook up these electrodes to the cord. Let's see. And usually they recommend putting the black wire on the cheek area and the red wires on the neck area. So I've got one side connected. And what you do is you take the pad off. And again, the black one goes in the cheek area. Wherever we tell you that you've got the worst muscle issues, you'll put the pad right there. So you wipe your makeup off and everything, and it actually helps a little bit to moisten the pad with just a little bit of tap water. And you put it right on the spot that's the most tender. And then you'll put that on, and then you'll apply the one that's connected to the red cord on your neck or upper shoulder on the opposite side. So you've got the black one on your cheek area, your jaw area, on one side of your head, and then the red one goes to your neck or upper shoulder on the opposite side. And then you do the same thing on the other side. If you've got issues on both sides, you'll end up plugging in both cords and using all 4 of the electrical pads. So then once you've got it all hooked up, you turn on the unit. Well, first you're going to actually make the settings on the unit. You open it up, and the first thing you want to do is you want to set the hertz. And you want to start off with the setting of 0.3 hertz. And the timer, it's best to do 2 20-minute, well, if you can, 2 40-minute sessions a day. And if you don't have that much time, you can do 2 20-minute sessions. So what you'll do is you'll start off on the 0.3 hertz, and then you open this little top thing, and it's got these little knobs. And what you'll do is you'll adjust the knob, keep adjusting it up until you feel a little kind of tingling, maybe even a little bit of pin pricking. And as soon as you feel a little funny sensation, then you turn it down just enough to where you don't feel that anymore. And when you've got it on, you'll see a blinking yellow light. And then you'll do the same thing for the other side as well. You turn it up until you start feeling a little funny sensation, and then you turn it down just below that level until you can't feel it. And then you just leave it going until the timer runs out. When the timer ends, it'll just cut off. If you turn it up all the way and you don't feel anything, turn it all the way back down. And then you're going to adjust the hertz level. you're going to go from 0.3 to 8 hertz. And again, you want to slowly adjust up the knob until you start to feel that funny sensation, and then adjust it down. And if you still don't feel anything all the way up, you turn it all the way back down and set it to the 80 hertz and go through that cycle again. So again, once you have everything connected and you've got the right setting, you just let it work until it stops, and it'll stop when the timer goes out. And if you have any questions or concerns, the manual should be able to answer most of those questions, or you can call us at our office at any time, and we can, we're more than happy to help you out, or you can bring it in and we can make sure you're doing it properly if you like. So that's about the Micro 2, and thanks for watching.